Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Let's go. Give me 1 second, guys. All right. Perfect. All right, cool. So what we're looking at is obviously a drop right now. We saw this big candle at the 8:30. I actually caught a little bag when it jumped past here. Caught about a 30-point bag real quick. And so now we're waiting on this drop. And so we just got to determine kind of where we're going to get in. We're obviously looking for sells. Okay. So I'm going to let this thing pull up. I'm going to let this thing pull up a little bit. I like to get in either at this 650 or the 75, the 620, the 625. Okay. All right. Share the screen. Okay, perfect. Let's go. All right. Okay. So we're coming up on this 26. I want it to come up a little bit more, though, to be honest with you. I want to get in for a style stop. Actually, right now, 25. And we're going to take this thing. We're going to set it up for about 20 points. Okay. So let it pull back up. Let it pull back up. Get us in. Happy New Year, everyone. Happy New Year. So sell stop 37.6, 25. All right, so we're gonna let this thing pull up, pick us up at 37.625, and we are in. We've actually already have a bag if we would have got in, but we're about to get in right now. You know what? Actually, we're gonna wait for the close of this candle. We're gonna wait for the close of this 5-minute candle. Okay, we're not gonna get in the middle of this 5-minute candle. We're gonna see what happens. We're gonna wait till the close of this candle. So about 3 minutes. Okay. Sell stop at 37,625. I already have it set up. She pulled up high enough for me. Sell stop 37,625 for a little 10, 20 point bag. Happy New Year, everyone. Hope everybody's New Year was amazing. Hope everybody had a good New Year. Man, yesterday was just chill. Literally just spent time with the family. Just didn't do anything. Just hung out, honestly. And today, do some things with the little one. We're going to go to like this little ball factory or something. So wife's off of work, so again, we're gonna get this quick bag and we're gonna spend time with the fam. So again, guys, I'm going to be doing a lot more shorts, a lot more YouTube stuff, really just talking about trading, talking about mindset, talking about all of those things. So again, definitely stay tuned. And obviously, if we can get some guests on as well, we'll be doing that. Again, I'm very excited. Again, we're going to continue to do what we're doing, but we're going to just kind of step it up. We're going to take it to another level. Again, it's me versus me, you versus you. It's obviously not a competition. Again, I'm here to assist you guys. I'm here to help you guys, and I want to see people win. Just very exciting times that we're in right now, and just a great opportunity that we have. We're going to definitely talk about that, but we're going to drive that. But again, really kind of sharing, obviously what this is all about, time freedom, financial freedom, really understanding what your goals are, before you can really be a successful trader, you have to understand what are your goals? What are you wanting to get from trading? What are you wanting to achieve from trading? Is it to have that financial freedom? Is it to quit your job? Is it what are your goals? What are you wanting to achieve? And time frame. What time frame did you give yourself? And then obviously looking at strategy. There's not a right or wrong strategy. You just have to be consistent with your strategy. You just have to do your strategy over and over and over and over and over, and obviously tweaking. If it's not working, to really find that right strategy for you, so that you can be that successful trader that you want to be. All right. So again, guys, we have a sell stop. We have a sell stop at 37,625. 37,625. Okay, 37,625. Okay, right here. Okay, once we I think we take this thing down to about 50. So we're going to see what happens here. Modify. Good morning, Reggie. right, guys, so we're waiting on this thing to drop, okay? And this is kind of where we're set up at right here. It's kind of where we're set up at right here. Okay. A little over 1 risk to reward ratio. Okay, so obviously, our stop loss would be above this area here. Would be above this area. Okay. And our TP, I'm looking at, honestly, if this thing breaks the 620, the 600 level, we're most likely going to come down to the 650 because there's nothing in front of it, and obviously that's the next floor. Okay, so that's kind of what we're looking at. All right, so again, we're just waiting, being patient. We have these big wicks to the top. Obviously, buyers came in, boom, brought it all the way up. But again, overnight, you could see that this thing tanked. Okay, you see where she got in. Okay, we took a couple bags last night, and then obviously she just fell. Okay, but again, what they obviously stated was at this 800 mark, this 37,800. This was going to be the rally down. Guys. This was going to be, time to obviously correct some things. So we're about to get in right now. We're about to get in this trade right now. So sell stop 37,625, 37,625. If we can get this big trade here, okay, then we can continue to obviously trail the stop. Great. So again, one of the things as well, guys, is I'm definitely, I don't trade on my computer. I think MT5 on the computer, MT4 on the computer, it kind of looks a little strange. But there's also a lot of tools that if you trade on the computer, that you can actually access. Tools through the Funded Trader. They have an EA that looks pretty cool. I was watching some YouTube videos on it. So again, I'm going to actually get into that as well. And again, we want to obviously utilize as many tools as we can to obviously help us be successful and help us win. Okay, we are not in this trade yet. 37,625 is our entry. 37,625 is our entry. Okay. I like what I see on the 5-minute right here. I'm not even going to look at the 15. Obviously, she's respecting this area here. She flew up. She corrected. She then retested. Okay. She retested. Okay. And now we're just going to wait for her to drop. Okay. But again, we got big wicks. To the top. Okay. And we have very small volume as far as, the bodies. Okay. Which tell us obviously the sellers are definitely here. Okay. And so we just need the sellers to kind of push us. We need some sellers to just kind of, push us down. Hey, we're obviously not in any. What's the TP? The TP is whatever you want it to be, Alana. Give me 1 second. I switched to MT5 when I'm trading. When I open or close a trade, it leaves a red or blue arrow. How do I get rid of those? I definitely see those as well. You're talking about the chart on MT5. Um, let's see. You just have to play with the settings, man. I don't see those actually now. I don't see those right now, but I have seen them before, like kind of like connecting the dots, kind of connecting kind of what trade you took, kind of your history. I don't necessarily use the chart on MT5 though. Um, I actually downloaded TradingView um, onto my phone. TradingView on my phone is huge, is dope, is really dope. So I use TradingView. So I go in between MT5 and TradingView on my phone, unless I'm in front of my computer, and then obviously I have TradingView on two screens, and then we're monitoring it from there. All right, we're about to get in. We're about to get in right now. What's the TP? So the first TP, okay. So the first TP that you could take would be the 600. Okay, I have my TP set down here at 37,550. Okay, so again, if we break this 37,600 here, okay, we're most likely going to continue to because again, understand levels. Okay, understand levels. All right, so you have this level here. Okay, let's look at this here. Let's look at what happened. Came up here, boom, broke. She then retested this level. She's been then supporting this level here at 37,800 at 600. She's been supporting it. So that's a level that we need to break. We are in this trade right now. Little pull up. We are in this trade right now. Okay. So again, what's nice about obviously using the EA tools with the funded trader is that they have a trail your stop where you can actually, once it's in profit for 20 points, you can move it to break even. So there's a lot of tools that you can use that do it automatically, rather than you having to kind of figure all that out. Using automated tools, I'm not necessarily looking at a bot yet, but utilizing tools that once I'm in a trade that really automate how it controls getting out at 20 points, getting, moving, trailing your stop at 20 points, things like that. So again, there's just a lot of tools utilizing their EA tools that you can download. And again, it looks pretty awesome. And obviously the if you're successful, they're successful because obviously they're going to get a percentage off of what you're doing. And again, also understand, guys, that once you learn this skill set, you are seeked by many. Okay, because again, like for someone to be able to give you, money, or to be able to actually allow you to trade on an account and you be able to either pass challenges or you be able to be a successful trader, like there's only 5% of individuals who trade that are successful traders, and only 10% of people that take challenges actually pass them. Okay, so again, really focusing on the skill is going to really, really going to help you be successful. Don't focus on necessarily winning and losing. Focus on the skill set. Focus on getting your strategy. And I'm telling you that once you get that strategy and you're doing your strategy consistently, everything else will definitely follow. And this arrow here, I don't necessarily pay a whole lot of attention to this arrow. I know people were asking, last week, like, what is that arrow? So the bank heist, okay, it's literally just the EMA with DeLorean indicator, okay, but it's called the bank heist. So you get that little indicator, you get a couple more indicators all in one, okay, and then obviously you get all the DeLorean. And so again, I don't even know why I have all of this up here. Because honestly, all that I utilize is I utilize this EMA. That's all that I utilize. I just utilize this 200, and that's obviously why we're looking at sells, is because we're under that 200. We're under that 200. We're looking for sells. We're in a trade right now. She's in a pullback of about 25 points. Okay, not a big deal. Not a big deal. Okay, we got these big wicks to the top. We have this body here, this red body candle engulfed this on this 5 minute. So we're just waiting for a drop. We got 2 minutes left on this candle. Okay, little pull up, not a big deal. And again, where's your stop loss? Your stop loss is wherever you'd like it to be. Okay. Obviously, I have a 50 point threshold. Okay, I trade no more than 1% of my account. So again, I know where I will get out. Okay, I know where I will get out. You have to determine where you're going to get out. Okay, now, your account may not be able to withstand a 50 point pullback. Okay, and we're almost nearing that. Okay. And again, understand, guys, like we are we are in a we are in a we are in a huge drop right now. And so again, like I will definitely be patient and wait on this thing here to definitely just kind of come down. We obviously, had buyers earlier. We then had sellers come in. Okay. We then had a little correction here. We're obviously going to come up. We're going to get this liquidity grab, and we're going to continue to fall. Okay. I truly believe we're going to continue to fall. And I'm going to trust your trade. And again, I'm going to stay in this trade. Okay. Just like what we did is we hit that area. We did a liquidity grab right here. Okay. Those that had their stop losses there, and now we're going to continue to fall. Okay, this is how US30 moves. This is how US30 moves. Let's go. Big drop US30. Okay, opening up a new candle. Opening up a new candle. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, we're at a 50-point pullback right now. 50-point pullback right now. Oh, sick. This is a trust your trade situation, guys. Like honestly, like if you want to get out at this point, you're more than welcome to definitely do so. But again, I truly believe that we're going to continue to fall. I truly believe that we're going to continue to fall. I'm going to sit on this trade. Okay. Here we come. We're about to be at 50 right now. Let's go. Big drop. There we go. Let's continue to fall. Come on, US30. Let's continue to fall. Come on. There we go. Let's go. Let's go. We got 3 minutes left on this candle, guys. 3 minutes left on this candle. Okay, we actually just opened up 3 minutes ago a new 15. Okay, and as you can see, over the last 45 minutes, we've been climbing. Okay, but again, As of last night, we had a huge drop. All right. Nasty pullback, but all right, we're good. About a 75-point pullback right now. $53 seconds left on this candle. So we want to see, does she respect the 700? Does she respect this 37,700? Looks like she is going to respect that. Let's look at it. Let's look at the 15. Okay. She's kind of in the mess that she left off in before the holiday. Okay. So again, are we going to respect this 37,700? Looks like we are going to respect the 37,700. Okay, which is important because obviously there has to be a ceiling, and that's what she's hitting now. Okay, we got 1 second left. Okay, boom, let's go. Let's drop. Come on, US30. I'm going to get rid of this here. You guys obviously know kind of where we're at as far as the entry goes. Okay, 37,725 would be obviously a 100-point pullback. It's not what I want, but it is how she moves, and it's all good. Come on, US30. I need a big drop. Come on, baby. Big drop. Come on. Give me a big drop. Come on. Let's respect the 700. Let's respect the 700. There we go. Let's go. Big drop. There we go. We just got to be patient, guys. So we got to be consistent. We have to be disciplined, and we have to be consistent. Okay. We have to be consistent, disciplined, and patient. All right. And again, here comes that big drop. Let's go. We need a big drop, US30. Come on. Let's go. Let's continue to drop. Let's go. We got a minute 27 left on this candle. Nice engulfing would be amazing. Nice engulfing would be a great. Look at that big wick. Look at that big wick on the 15. That's great. Big wick on the 15. Let's go. If we can get an engulfing on this 15, would be huge. Okay, huge engulfing would be amazing on the 15. And again, guys, if you haven't seen it, I did a short on obviously why I do the 15. Okay, I focus on the 15 because obviously we're scalpers. So I'm not looking at anything too long term. Obviously, when I jump on, I'll look at long term, see what the day is, see what, kind of where we're at. And but again, from a trading standpoint, the 15 really kind of gives me that structure that I feel that I need, and kind of tells me, over the last 15 minutes, what did we do? What could we possibly respect over the last 15 minutes? And then obviously I trade on the 5, and then I even sometimes go down to the 1, just to watch the exact movement that she's making. Okay. So again, the 15 is really the structure that I like. Some people like the 30, some people like the hour. Okay. I like the 15-minute structure. Okay, she's playing around with this 37,700. She's playing around with this 37,700. Okay, we got a really undecisive candle here on the 5-minute. Okay, on this 15-minute here. Okay, I'd like to see a wick. I like to see a wick down. Okay, I like to see a wick down with the red body. So we're gonna see what happens. We got 4 minutes 31 seconds left on this 15-minute candle. Okay, I like us to break below the 700. Okay, I like us to break below the 700, and I like us to really wick all of this here and a red candle. All right, so that's kind of what I'd look at on the 15. Okay, we just opened up a new 5-minute. Okay, and obviously we're kind of falling here again. Just not a lot of volume right now. But again, we are respecting that 700. We are respecting that 700, which that's what we want to see, especially with the position that we have right now. 3 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. 3 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. Well, again, hope everybody had a happy New Year. Hope everybody enjoyed time with their family and friends. Really took time to really look at what went well last year. What can we improve? Where can we be better? Last year was great. I'm ready to be amazing. I'm ready to have an amazing year. Last year was great. Last year happened the way it was supposed to happen. Again, a lot of lessons learned last year. No losses, just lessons. We don't lose unless you give up, unless you quit. That's when you take that loss. But as long as you're in there still, as long as you're taking those lessons and obviously implementing what you learned from those lessons, and moving forward, that's all that matters. And so again, this year we're excited. We have some huge goals this year. And just very excited to definitely really impact others this year is really the goal. As I'm impacting others, I will also be impacting myself along the way as well. So again, just very excited about this year. So again, guys, as you can see here, we're really bouncing off of the 700 area, the 37,700. I'd like on the 15, as you can see, I'm on the 15 right now. We have 2 minutes 14 seconds left on this candle. I'd like us to drop below the 700. I want us to really respect the 700 on this 15. Okay, we got 2 minutes left, and I'd like us to continue to see a drop. So let's see if we can get this drop below the 700. If we don't drop below the 700, I will probably be making a decision, because again, we may continue to climb. But again, we're gonna see what happens here. Okay, we have a pretty bad pullback right now. We did get in at 625. Okay, so we have 50 points, almost 70, about a 75 point, a little over 75 point pullback right now. Okay, a little bigger than what I normally do. My threshold is 50, but again, I truly believe that we're going to continue to fall. I truly believe that we're going to continue to fall. Okay, and dropping below the 700, respecting the 700 is really going to obviously demonstrate that as well. Okay, if we get up here to 25, this will be a 100-point pullback, and I will definitely get out at that point. Okay, let's go. Big drop, US30. Big drop. Let's go. Okay, we got a minute left on this 15. Minute left on this 15. I need us to drop below the 700. We need to drop below the 700 to obviously just determine, direction. We need to close below the 700. There we go. Let's go. Let's go. Close below the 700. Let's go. I'd like us to wick this whole candle. If we can wick this whole candle, even a red candle would be amazing. Even a red candle would be amazing, and then we continue that drop. Let's go. Big drop. Big drop. 23 seconds left. 23 seconds left on this candle. 23 seconds left on this candle. There we go. I love it. Love it. 14 seconds left. 14 seconds left. Love it. 9 seconds left. Okay, boom. We're below. We're below. Let's go. Let's continue to drop now. We're obviously respecting that 37,700, but again, we're not done. We're not done testing it. We're continuing to bounce off of it. Continuing to bounce off of it. We got 4 minutes left on this candle. 4 minutes left on this candle, guys. Let me go out here and make some changes. It's YouTube real quick. All right. There we go. Big drop. 2024. Let's go. All right. Okay. So again, guys, we're just waiting for this. Obviously, we have a little consolidation happening here. Okay, we obviously just have wicks to the top side. We have red bodies. That's great. Okay, we just need we need bigger candles. We need bigger volume. Again, we are right now at about a little between a 50-point pullback and a 75-point pullback right now. About 66-point pullback, actually. We're just waiting for this drop. Let's look at this 15. Okay, we got 9 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. Okay, we are obviously below this 37,700. That's where we want to be. Okay, and we want to continue to fall. Okay, the next level here would be to break this 37,675. 37,675. We continue to break. We correct this here. Okay, then we obviously get down into our entry, and then it's bye bye Charlie from there. And we just have to be patient and wait. That's it. Just have to be patient and wait. Pushing back up now. There's no news on the dollar. There's no news on the dollar right now. So again, it's just obviously the whales just kind of, the buyers and sellers kind of coming in and moving this market. We got 3 minutes left on this candle. 3 minutes left on this candle. There we go. There we go. Come on, US30. Let's continue to drop. As you guys could see, we are respecting this 37,700. We are respecting this 37,700 zone. Okay. $37,700 is being respected. We just need a big drop. Okay. And once we break this 37.75, once we break the 675, we will correct. We will get into this here, and then we will break the 650, And then obviously 625 is our entry, and then we continue to fall from there. We want to obviously get past this point here. We get past this 600, and again, guys, we then have this big drop here, about 50 points. Yep. Until we hit another floor, another area of support. We got a minute 25 left on this candle. Minute 25 left on this candle. 618 left on this 15. We're just being patient, guys. We're just being patient right now. That's all we can do. That's all we can do. Let's go. 34 seconds left on this candle. Let's go. Let's go. I love that big wick. I love that big wick, especially when we're looking for her to fall. 24 seconds left on this candle. 24 seconds left on this candle. Here we do have a consolidation right here, though. We do have a consolidation, and one or two things are going to happen. She's either going to continue to, she's going to break these wicks, or she's going to break this 37,675, and we can continue to fall. 5 seconds left. Boom. Let's go. Let's continue to fall. Let's go. What I like, guys, is obviously we're below the 37,700, and we're respecting that. Okay, we got 5 minutes left on this candle. Let's watch how this 15-minute candle pans out here. So this is what I like this 15-minute candle to do, is I like this 15-minute candle to break below this 37,675. I'd like this 15-minute candle to break below 37,675. That will confirm that we're obviously moving down. We're just playing with the 700 right now. We're playing with the 700. We just need to break clear of it. We need to get rid of this 700. We got 4 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. Let's go. Let's go. Let's break this 37,675. 675, 675. Let's break it. Let's break it. Let's break it. Yes. Let's go. We got 4 minutes left on this candle. 4 minutes left on this candle. Yes, come on. Let's go. Yes, sir. Let's go. Let's break below. Let's break below. Great sign. Let's break below. On the 5 minute, obviously, even looks a little bit better. But again, we're respecting that 75. We're respecting that 75. We need to break that 75, and we need to climb. We need to fall. We need to fall. Okay, we need to break and close below the 75. Break and close below the 75. Okay. Let's go. 311. 311 left on this candle. 311 left on this candle. Let's go. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Let's go. She's respecting it, though. She's respecting it. We have to respect that. We have to respect that she's respecting that zone. Okay, that 25 point zone. If you look at this 5 minute, okay, we're literally consolidating between this 25 point zone. Okay. Buyers tried to come in. Just not enough momentum. Okay, she respected the 700. We break below the 75. It's a great sign. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Break below 37,650. We're on our way. Let's go. Two minutes left on this candle, guys. 2 minutes left on this candle. 2 minutes left on this candle. What are these receipts? We got a minute left on this candle, guys. Minute left on this candle. Let's go. Let's go. $50 seconds left on this candle. 50 seconds left on this candle. We're respecting that 75. Let's break below it. Come on, let's go. 28 seconds left on this candle. Let's fill this wick. Let's fill this wick. Come on. Let's go. Come on, US30. We're not ready to drop yet. Okay, I get you. We're all right. Take your time. There we go. All right, let's go to this 5 minute now. All right, so we broke and closed below. Not a lot, not a lot. Okay, but we did break and close below. So let's see if we can get that momentum and keep that momentum and continue to fall here. So obviously our next level, 37,650. 37,650, then we enter into our what's this Tesla say? What happened here? All right, let's go. Let's continue to drop. Let's go. Let's get a drop. Come on. All right, let's go. Big drop, big drop. Come on. All right, come on. We're just waiting for this drop, guys. We're just waiting on this drop. All right, let's go. Let's go. Big drop. Let's get below this 37,650, 37,650. Man, I hate when people try to spam the channel. It's crazy. Let's go. Come on, big drop US30. What are we doing, mama? All right, we got 5 minutes left on this 15. We got 5 minutes left on this 15. Let's go. Come on, let's continue to drop. Let's get back below this 37,675. Come on. Let's go. We got 4 minutes left on this candle. Come on, we need a big drop. Oh, come on, US30. 47 seconds left on this candle, guys. All right. We got to look at getting out of this. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens here. Hold on here so I can see where we're at. Let's go. Come on, US30. Big drop. Come on. Stop playing around. Let's go, baby. Come on, let's go. Big drop. Yo, yo. Minute 18 left on this candle. Oh, Damn, she's killing me. All right. We may have to get out of this here. $23 seconds left on this candle. Let's go, US30. Big push. Come on. Last 5 minutes of this candle. Last 5 minutes of this candle. It's great. 37 seconds left on this candle. We need a big drop. We need a big drop. We need this continuous drop. We need this continuous drop. We did have this here. Then she pulled back up. She respected this 37,650. So we need to break this 37,700 again. We got 16 seconds left on this candle. All right, here we go. Moving in the right direction. Let's go. Come on. Let's get below 37,700. 37,700. Let's get below that. Come on, let's go. All right, 2 minutes left on this candle, guys. We want to break below 37,700 on this 15. Two minutes left. If we get below this 37,700, again, a great sign that we can continue to move down. We obviously ran into this 37,650. She respected it, shot up on that last 15-minute candle. Okay. Could be a fake out. We got 1:38 left on this candle. Let's go. Big drop. Come on, US30. Big drop. Give me a big drop. Minute left on this candle. All right, that was at 15 as well. Opened up a new 15. Let's get a big red candle on this 15. Come on, guys. Come on, US30. Come on, come on, sellers. Let's go. Let's drop below this 37,700. We have 10 minutes, about 12 minutes actually left on this 15. Okay, let's go. Big drops, big drops. Come on, US30. Big drops. Give me a big drop. There we go. We got a drop going. Let's go. Let's see how far we can go. All right, we got 7 minutes left on this candle. We got 2 minutes left on this candle. Amazing, amazing 5-minute candle here. We got an engulfing. Let's cross this 200. Let's continue to drop. Let's cross this 37,700. Let's continue to drop. Let's get down back in here, okay? There's not a whole lot stopping us other than this 37,650. This 37,650 is really the next level. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We got 1:18 left on this candle. Let's drop below this 37,700. $52 seconds left on this candle. Come on, US30. Stop playing around. Get down here. We're respecting that 37,700. Damn it. Let's go. Big drop. Come on, baby. Let's go US30. Come on, baby. There we go. Let's go. Big drops. Minute 56 left on this 15-minute candle. What we want to see, minute 51. Let's go. Could this be the drop that we are looking for? I do see the DXY climbing, and I see US30 just dropping. So that's a great sign. We're at 2% change. Okay, so we are dropping. We do see the the DXY climbing. So again, that's a great sign. That's going to push US30 down. Awesome. Let's go. Amazing 5-minute candle. Amazing 5-minute candle. We got a minute left on this candle. Let's go. Let's continue to drop. 44 seconds left on this candle. Great engulfing. Great engulfing. That was on the 3-minute. If we can get below 650, 650 is a great mark. We obviously respected it last time. So again, we want to be careful of that. 21 seconds left on this candle. Let's get a big drop. Come on, US30. Let's get a big drop. Can we get below 675? 675, can we get below it? Come on, big drop. Okay, we did close below this 37,700. Great sign. Okay, not a lot below, but again, we did close below. All right, that's a great sign to continue to move down. Let's go. Here we go. Boom. Stay on this. Okay, so the DXY is moving up. Come on, US30. We got 3 minutes left on this candle, guys. 3 minutes left on this candle. 3 minutes left on this candle. Let's go. Big drop. Big drop. All right, guys, we've been on the session for an hour and 42 minutes. We obviously got into a trade. We're waiting for this thing to drop. I think once this thing drops, we're going to be in great position. We just need this thing to drop about 50 points. Once we drop about 50 points, we should see this thing continue to plummet and get a bag. So it may take obviously a little bit longer. I'm gonna have to watch this thing. Not what I really wanted to do, but again, it's just obviously, the beginning of the year. We will probably start seeing a little bit more movement. I would say the end of this week, maybe the beginning of the next week, we'll see a little bit more movement. Just real slow right now. But again, we're okay. I don't know why that arrow keeps coming up. I'm ignoring that arrow. That arrow means nothing to me. $10 minutes left on this candle. Let's drop. 14 seconds left. Hopefully we close below this 37,700. Close below this 37,700. Let's go. Drop. Let's go. Big drop. Let's go. Okay. So let's do something here real quick. Let's look at this DeLorean. Let's open these EMAs, and I'll tell you exactly why that. Okay. It's because we broke the red and the yellow. We broke the red and the yellow. We want this yellow to cross this red, and then we'll literally be on top of the yellow, just like all of this. Look, on top of the yellow, boom, bouncing off that yellow, bouncing off that yellow, bouncing off that yellow, bouncing. And look at this on the way down, bouncing off that yellow, bouncing off the yellow, bouncing off the yellow. Boom, once it crosses here, changes direction. Boom, 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 crosses here. Boom. All right. Yeah, and that's how you use. That's kind of how you can utilize the DeLorean to kind of give you a little heads up. But again, when we got in, we were under the 200. Okay, that's obviously why we took the trade that we did. Obviously, she pulled up, tried to fake us out. We're going to get a drop now. We're going to get a drop. We're now on the 500, on the 15-minute. We're below the 200. We're bouncing off of it right now. Okay, we're bouncing off of the 200 right now. Okay, we need this DXY to bounce off of this 50. All right, we got 6 minutes left on this 15. We got a minute left on this 5-minute. Let's continue to drop. Let's continue to drop. Let's get below this 37,675. We got 50 points to our entry at that point. And then we just hold this thing, honestly. Like, we're just holding right now, guys. Honestly, we have one entry open. We're just waiting for a drop. We're just waiting. We're waiting for this thing to... Obviously, there was some correction. If we look at the 15, we had a huge drop overnight. Okay, 8:30 candle, boom, pulled up. Okay, we obviously corrected a little bit. We ran into the ceiling here. Okay, We obviously respected it and we fell. We're now respecting the 37,700. Okay, we just broke that again. Here we broke it. We then retested it. We then broke it. Okay, so again, I'm just looking for a drop. The DXY is actually moving to the upside as well. Okay, we just crossed on the DXY. We just crossed the 50. We have a little drop on the DXY, but again, I am anticipating her to pull back up. Once we do that, we should see a big drop from US30. Here we go now. All right, perfect. So we got 4 minutes, 35 seconds left on this 15. Okay. All right, let's watch this 15-minute close. Okay, if we close below the 37,675, great. Okay, keep in mind, at 9:30, we did bounce off of this 650. We did bounce off the 650. Huge engulfing candle, okay, on the 15. And then obviously that took us all the way up here. We've then, we're about to correct that. Okay, and then once we correct it, we're going to break it. And then we just need to get past this 37,650, come into our entry, and then we continue to fall. Okay, I do have my TP set for 37,550. Okay, 37,550 way down here. Okay, if I can get even a portion of that, I'll be good for today. And also, we took some trades this morning. We took some London stuff, and we're actually in profit about 1% right now on our account. We honestly did not even have to trade this session, but we went ahead and did that. We're just waiting for her to pull down now. Let's go. Big drop. Big drop. Let's go. So Nas 100 fell, SPX 500 fell. So we're just honestly we're waiting for this US30 to just drop. Honestly, waiting on this US30. US30 is kind of just playing some games. Nas 100 fell, and so did SPX 500. And we obviously all know that they move very similar. All right, we got a minute 48 left on this 15. Minute 48 left on this 15. Come on, big drop, big drop, big drop, big drop. All right, here we go. Let's go. Let's get the big drop. Come on. Come on, baby. Let's get the big drop. There we go. Let's go. Big drops. 2 minutes, 13 seconds left on this candle. We need a big drop. Come on, let's go. DXY is climbing. Come on, what are you doing, US30? What are you doing? What are you doing, US30? What are you doing? Like, you want to climb when the DXY is climbing. That's not supposed to happen. Come on. Maybe just a little pump. I don't know what you're doing. All right, let's go, let's go, let's go. Wait for this thing to drop down. All right, guys, we've been on for about an hour, 59 minutes, almost 2 hours. We're obviously in a trade right now here at 625. And so she pulled up about 75 points on us. And we're just being patient, waiting for her to drop. We're floating on top of this 200 right now on the 5 minute. On the 15 minute, we're below it. Okay, we got 8 minutes left on this 15. On this 5 minute, we got 3 minutes left. Nice engulfing candle, nice large red candle on the 5 minute, which is great. Great to see. We want to get below this 200. Okay. Our next area is 675. That'll put us 50 points above our entry. We did see here at 650. We bounced here. Okay, shot up about 50 points. Shot up about 50. Actually, I'm sorry. Yeah. So actually, I'm sorry, 75 points. Boom, we shot up. Okay, so 2 minutes, 53 seconds. Let's see what happens here. 2 minutes, 53 seconds. Let's see what happens here. We need a big drop. DXY is climbing. Everything else fell. NAS 100 fell. SPX 500 fell. US30 is just standing strong. Okay, we got 2 minutes left on this candle. All right, guys, we're just waiting on a drop. Here we go. Let's go. We got 15 seconds left on this candle. Let's see where we're at on this 15. So again, we got 5 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. Great big red candle. Love it. Let's continue to drop now. Let's continue to drop. Let's continue to drop. Okay, once we hit this 50, we'll be 25 points outside of our entry. Let's go. Let's go. Great candle here. Great candle. Can we get to this 37,650? Can we get to this 37,650 on this candle? Let's see what happens. We got a minute 35 left on this candle. Minute 35 left on this 15-minute candle. I need a break below this 37,700. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on, US30. Give us a break below this 37,700. See what this minute's doing. I mean, again, the DXY is climbing. The DXY, I don't understand. US30 is trying to keep up with the DXY or something. We had a huge correction. Big consolidation points. Like, let me show this, guys. Okay, so obviously we had a big drop, huge green candle. Okay, corrected some of it. Consolidation, boom, broke. Consolidation, boom, broke. Consolidation, and it looks like we're falling now. We need to break this level. We need to break this 650 because that's obviously the last respected area here. So we need to break this 650. Once we break the 650, we come into our entry, and then again, guys, like from there, I just feel like we fall. So we got 26 seconds left on this candle. I need to respect this 37,700. I need to respect this 37,700. Doesn't look like we're going to. 9 seconds left on this candle. Can we get a big drop? Big drop in the next 5 seconds? Nope. All right, see what happens. See if we continue to climb. What do we do? We have this DXY just doing her thing. This US dollar is just doing its thing. It corrected its big drop. It corrected its big drop. Why haven't we corrected on US 30? It's so weird. Let's box this thing off real quick. This is where it's consolidating, right here. And she just said, screw you, and just broke that. All right, I'm about to get out. I don't get it. So now the DXY is dropping, and now US 30 wants to climb. So now it wants to respect the DXY, but then it doesn't want to respect the DXY. I don't get it. I don't get it at all. We have 2 minutes left on this candle. Let's see what happens. We need to close inside this box. We need to close inside this box. Let's go. Big drop. Come on, US 30. All right, yeah, we're about to get out. We have to. we have to, and I'm going to reset up. All right, guys, I'm about to get out. And that's all she wrote for today. All right, guys, that's the wrap for today. I appreciate you guys definitely jumping on. Thank you guys so much. Obviously, the first trading day of the year. Very exciting times. Very excited for this year. I'm still in this here. Honestly, I'm still in this here. Waiting to see what this 15-minute closes inside this box. I'll definitely hold. But if it closes outside this box, I will definitely get out. That's my move. So again, guys, thank you guys so much. Have an amazing day. And again, I will see you guys in the morning. And again, I will see you guys at the top because the bottom's too crowded. We don't look down on anyone unless we're going to reach down. We're going to lift them up. And again, believing that you can is more profitable than believing that you can't. God bless each and every one of you. And I will see you guys in the morning. Peace out. Bye-bye.